Only been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year, only go like once. Life moves fast when you do what you want.
Are you on your way? Are you coming soon to me? No parking in LA, so I'ma send Uber to.
Good day, my daisies. We are back again. Another week, another video. Good day, my daisies, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Tato Mukwena, Tato Daisy on all my social media platforms, and welcome back to our YouTube channel. Welcome back to our YouTube channel, guys. On today's video, we're gonna do another haul, but this time it's a bit different inyana, with a little bit of decor. And yeah, let's get into it. So guys, this is what I have. Another Shein haul, but this time it's decor. Yagocha Shein. Pinterest vibes. Awana. So yeah. Firstly, we have this. Ooh. What do we call this? This little gorgeous thingy. I don't know what to call it, but yeah, you guys can see this. Like, these are those statues that you put on your dining room table or your outside table. So I got most of these items for my outside table. So yeah, this is beautiful, like, guys. Oh this is so cute, and I just also love the size, like, so cute. And yeah, I can't wait. And our second item, I don't know what's inside. Okay, you guys, like, do you guys feel the vibes? Pinterest, like, this is beautiful, guys. Like, also in smaller size, and they also have like the big ones, so I chose the smaller size. So, like, guys, this is beautiful. I can't wait. Like, oh, you guys will see like my outside table after decorating it. Like, I just love how this is cute, not busy, like, not huge. You can put this and that statue with your flowers. You guys will see. This is beautiful, guys. And I will also just link all the items in the description box with the item code and everything. Yeah, so this is, oh, this is gorgeous. This is beautiful. Like, these are my vibes. I love this. I love it. I even love, like, the color. It's black, and also my table, it's a bit of grayish to black. Like, this is perfect for my table. Number 3, I also got this thing. What is this? I think it's a vase, a smalanyana vase, which is also cute and luxurious nyana for maybe my dining room table because it's brown. So I think this will be perfect for the dining table. Yeah, this is beautiful, guys. Like, I think I already have my faves. So yeah, do you see? This is gorgeous. And I also love like the sizes. Oh, I love this. Our next item, same but different. Oh guys, like this is so cool. This is so beautiful and small. Like, oh, this is beautiful, guys. I got 2 of them in black and white. Like, can you guys see them? This, I love them. I love them. Our next item, zang 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 zang. Guys, I also love how it feels. Like, oh. Do you see it? Like, this is a smaller vase that you can put like on the dining table. I think I'm gonna use also this one for my mind. I'm gonna have to choose. Okay, but yeah, this is another beautiful. I love this. I love this. I've been wanting this, and this is beautiful, guys. This is a beautiful and so cute. Like, also I don't wanna, what's that, I don't wanna put a lot of things like on the table, so I also opted for smaller items so that, like, you know. I love this. I love this. And this fair, it's the artificial one. You can put them. So these are the artificial fair. Like, this are giving like Pinterest vibes, and I think are the one that I'm gonna use for my table, for my dining room table. So yeah, these are so beautiful and cool and neutral. You guys know me and neutral, so yeah, I love this. I love them so much. Oh, so this is how it goes inside this. Do you see the vibes? You guys, hey, so our next item is this thingy where you can put your flowers in here, your fair flowers. But then I didn't get the fair thing because it was black and it was too black. So I think I'm just gonna decorate with this like and not put anything inside. Maybe I can put, I'm not gonna put anything inside. I think it's okay like this. Like, it's giving. You guys will see my outside table. So this is, I got this for my outside table. So yeah, you guys will see. And then I also got flowers. You guys know that I love flowers. I also have flowers, like the same flowers. I have them, like I I bought them last year, and they are on my kitchen counter, and they look so real. Like, look at them. These are so beautiful and pretty. I don't know why I got them, but maybe I was thinking of mixing this with the baby bread. So maybe I'll just see where I can put them, but then they're so cool. So yeah, they're so beautiful. So I'll see where I can put them, or maybe mix them with this. I think this was the plan. Oh, they look so real. All of them. They're so beautiful and look so real. Do you see them? And I also gonna okay, they're so beautiful. Do you see? I also got this for my dining room table. This is for my diffuser oil, so I'm just gonna get a diffuser oil and pour it in here and put it on my dining room table. The vibes. Oh, it also came with this thingy. Do you see them? So this is how, yeah, this is the whole setup. So yeah, so I also got this cute thingy. I don't know where I'm gonna put it, but this is gorgeous. Like, it came with the smaller one, so I think I'm gonna, okay, let me shush. This is beautiful, guys. Oh, these are beautiful and they're so cute. Like, yo, I love them. I love them. Do you see them? I love them. And then you guys know that I love beauty, and I got a mirror. I got a mirror. I got a mirror. I got a mirror. Like, do you see my curtains there? This is beautiful. And it came with this stand. This is so fine. I love it. I love it so much. This is beautiful. I love it. We also have another vase, the smallanyana vase. This is beautiful. I'm still thinking of how I'm gonna use it, but I love it. Like, I love it. It's beautiful. It's giving Pinterest neutral vibes. Do you see it? So I got another one of this. I got two of them, so Like, I love it. So I don't know where I'm gonna put this one, but I think it's gonna work somewhere, somehow. I love it. And I got this luxurious fair flowers. Woo. I got this one in different colors. Okay, this is not artificial. This is the real flower. This is real. These are the real flowers. Do you see them? These are real. These are the real flowers. Oh. Labona. These are the real flowers, guys. I can put them outside. On the outside table. Hi, Labona. So yeah, those are the flowers with a bit of fair. I love them. They are so, they scream luxury. They scream luxury, and I love them, guys. Do you see, like, this looks like the grass. So yeah, it's giving jungle oats this side. That was our last item for this video, and if you have watched until the end, please give this video a thumbs up and drop a white heart in the comment section, and I will be back with another video. As you guys know that I drop new video every week. Okay, so thank you so much for watching, guys. I appreciate you guys so much, and yeah, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Bye.
I get lonely, but I'm never lonely. Sexy ladies, come wife me.